It shouldn't be this hard to figure out how to put the camera on this thing without reading the instructions, but I'm gonna have no choice but to read the instructions. Probably the wrong thing, I don't know. Look, it tells you right here, Wi-Fi suited, and the camera, but it says there, but if you put it here, you can't see where you're going, can you now? I don't know. And if you put it here, you can't reach the thing, so... Oh, I know how this works. Oh, it's genius. You just stick it in here and this will fit there. Okay, there we go. There you go. Incredible. I didn't read the instructions. Well, I opened the instructions, but couldn't read them, so... I guessed this is how it goes. Cool.
Likey